you need to spike the 2 lines to the saline solutions to prime till the end of the line as showed here. After finishing priming the first part of the tubing set, you need now to connect the red line to the adapter as showed here. Then you need to disconnect this part of the adapter and connect it to the red part of the bypass system. Connect the blue line to the cartridge by firstly removing the cap with the spanner, which is inside each cartridge box. Unscrew, then connect the blue line and screw. Then we move to the opposite side of the cartridge. Again, unscrew, remove the cap, and connect the red line to the cartridge. Connect the second adapter to the line as showed here. And finally connect it to the priming collection bag with the lure lock system. After finishing this part, you can start the full priming stage. At the beginning of the priming procedure, leave the 2 wide clamps open. When the segment in between is primed, clamp it again and let the priming solution circulate in all the set and cartridges. Three liters are recommended for an adequate priming. Priming from the venous site or from arterial site are both available. To perform it, the saline solution should always enter from the bottom to the top of the cartridge. During the sequence, always deaerate the cartridge with a rubber hammer.